Buckle up because today, we're going to tackle a common issue that can make your engine red hot. Yes, I'm talking about an overheating engine. I'm your host, and in this video, we'll explore the causes of engine overheating, ways to prevent it, and what to do if you find yourself in a heated situation. So, let's jump right in and have some fun learning together. What causes an engine to overheat? I guess that's the question we should be asking before going into details. Before we get into the solutions, it's essential to understand why engines overheat. The engine cooling system plays a vital role in maintaining a safe operating temperature. Several factors can disrupt this balance. 1. Low coolant levels. Insufficient coolant can't absorb and dissipate the engine's heat effectively. 2. Cooling system leaks. A leak in the radiator, hoses, water pump, or head gasket can lead to coolant loss and overheating. 3. Faulty thermostat. A stuck or malfunctioning thermostat may prevent proper coolant circulation. 4. Blocked radiator. Debris or contaminants can block the radiator, hindering heat dissipation. 5. Broken cooling fan. A malfunctioning electric or mechanical cooling fan can't provide adequate airflow. Now that we know what causes engine overheating, let's discuss essential preventive measures to keep your engine running cool. 1. Regular maintenance. Follow your vehicle's maintenance schedule, ensuring timely coolant flushes, and checking for leaks. 2. Check coolant levels. Monitor coolant levels regularly and top up as needed with the manufacturer recommended coolant mixture. 3. Inspect hoses and belts. Periodically inspect hoses and belts for signs of wear, cracks, or leaks, and replace them if necessary. 4. Test the thermostat. Have a professional check the thermostat's functionality during routine maintenance. 5. Keep the radiator clean. Regularly clean debris from the radiator fins to maintain efficient heat dissipation. Despite our best efforts, sometimes an engine can still overheat. If this happens, here's what you should do. 1. Pull over safely. As soon as you notice the temperature gauge rising, pull over to a safe location and turn off the engine. 2. Let the engine cool. Avoid opening the hood immediately, as the engine compartment will be extremely hot. Allow the engine to cool down for at least 30 minutes. 3. Check coolant levels. Once the engine has cooled, check the coolant levels and top up if necessary. 4. Inspect for leaks. Look for any visible signs of coolant leaks or damaged hoses. 5. Call for assistance. If the problem persists, contact a professional mechanic or roadside assistance for further inspection and repair. Understanding the causes, prevention, and solutions for an overheating engine can save you from potential breakdowns and costly repairs. Remember to stay proactive with regular maintenance and keep an eye on your vehicle's temperature gauge. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, like and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and keep your engines cool.